the most precious AI tool you guys know, and you can triple your passive income. So the very first tool is Browse AI. After knowing Browse AI and its capability, what it can do, it must be banned and should be declared illegal. Now see what it can do. By using Browse AI, you can extract data from any website. Yes, you can extract any data even from your competitor website, and you can even monitor what their website is doing right now. You can copy their content and you can use as your own as well. And the second AI tool, that is Luca. Luca will help you branding and creating your logos. And you know that creating logos, it takes at least a day, a month. But by using Luca, you can create stunning logos within minutes. Yes, I mean within minutes. If you wanna learn more about how you can use Browse AI, please give likes. As I receive likes, I'll consider you are interested in Browse AI, and I'll create a full tutorial on Browse AI and how you can use with minimum effort. And the third one we are using right now, that is Copy AI. Copy AI is like your personal assistant. You can use Copy AI in order to write post, social media content. You can write stories, you can write movies, script, whatever you want, you can do it, Copy AI. And fourth one we will be talking about, that is Runway ML. Runway ML, you can create stunning videos, create stunning picture from simple text, and you can animate any video and movie with just simple fingertips. So if you like this video helpful, please share, subscribe DeepMind AI, and just leave comment more, so I'll create a full tutorial on all AI tools, so you can easily use these AI tools in order to triple your passive income.